Dude, if my boat had a gym, I'd work out.
$100 million yacht comes with a state-of-the-art gym that overlooks the ocean. A movie theater with windows that auto-darken whenever you watch something. And even the table is worth $3 million. And the piano plays itself. All the boys disappeared in the spa. Carl was in the sauna.
Man really got in the hot tub with a sunburn.
Do you think they have enough jet skis? Gentlemen, did any of you notice a boat pulling up? On that boat might be Tom Brady, and we should probably go say hi to him. And if you don't know who Tom Brady is, he is the #1 quarterback in NFL history.